Remember I was telling you that I had not found very much in the way of petrified wood, and I was so surprised. Look at this chunk. Hi everybody, it's Kate from KatyDid. I am down at the Yellowstone River on some gravel bars that go on for miles, and so I'm going to see what kind of rocks I can find. Come along. So many beautiful rocks. It's a little tricky seeing the rocks both in the silt and in the shade, but this one had such a perfect chunky shape that I picked it up, and there it is, an agate. I'll wash it off better and then you can see how pretty it is. Oops, there's a hunter over there. I think we'll turn around and go the other direction. Come on, Kava, let's go this way. You can see that even in the silt, the shine shows. Pretty. This is cool. This is a baculite. It has mother of pearl, and you can see it's got some shiny stuff there. I probably won't take it because I don't have much to do with fossils, but I just wanted to show it to you because I think it's neat. Oh, look at that. How pretty is that? So cool. I didn't pick up a rock that was like this last time. I think I'm going to take this one home, cut it in half, and see if it'll polish. One kind of awesome thing about the Yellowstone River is that it's an old river and it has lots and lots of movement, and so there are lots of islands and secondary rivers that run through, streams that run through things. And so if you can find access to one of these networks, it just goes on and on and on. My very first piece of petrified wood of the day. Very unusual because usually petrified wood is much more common than the agates, and I found several nice agates, and this is the first piece of wood. I'll take it. And while I'm at it, I might as well pick up some pretty jasper. Oh, that's nice. I love jasper. One thing I love about jasper is the infinite variations. This one has these beautiful tiger stripes. It's just so gorgeous. Sometimes the agates are filled with quartz crystals. I think that is super cool. Another kind of cool thing about agates is the variety in their color. This one is almost white. They go from white to brown to almost black. Huh. This is another piece of jasper. It was shining just like an agate. It's pretty though. Hello, little piece of petrified wood. How are you today? I don't know what this is, but it is very pretty. Whoa, look at all those lines in there. Wow. Please be sure to click the subscribe button. Subscribing and ringing the bell means you won't miss a thing. Oh, isn't that cute? Looks like an egg. All those little spots are inclusions. Here's another one of those really cool conglomerates. This one's a little bit bigger. And again, I'm going to take it home. Mr. Did joined me, and now he's setting up his drone. Isn't this pretty? I think these little flecks are feldspar, and the white stuff is quartz. But I just love the combination. It's just so delicate. Well, we're not finding much in the way of chunky agates today, but look at this color. This is green and orange and white, just beautiful. I love the rocks that are not agates, not petrified wood, not the things that everybody looks for, but look how beautiful they are. This is probably what I would call a near agate, but it's got, in these windows, it's so clear that I think I'm gonna have to take it home just to see if maybe there's actually some agate material in there. Down here, it's obviously mixed with some jasper, but sometimes these near agates are just gorgeous. Rebecca of Sunnybrook Farm was disappointed that I didn't cut the last one of these that I picked up, which actually sneaked out of my backpack. So, Rebecca, this one's for you. Is it an agate? Or is it quartzite? I do believe it is a chunky agate! Yay! Because this rock, it is so chunky, chunky, chunky. That's what I like to see. Actually, it has these like lines in here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. That just makes my day. Here's another one of those gorgeous orange and white rocks. I kind of didn't want to pick it up because, well, you know, the backpack's getting heavy. Again, it doesn't seem to matter where I go or how long I hunt. I always end up with a full pack. I was trying really hard to be good and only pick up, you know, super awesome agates. Then the agates didn't come, so I started picking up other stuff. And now, here it is. Well, this big guy is too big even for me to carry. But my goodness, look at those pretty colors and those swirls in there. If I had an empty pack, that would definitely come home with me. Remember I was telling you that I had not found very much in the way of petrified wood, and I was so surprised. Well, look at this chunk. Just look at it, it's all agatized. Got some kind of jaspery stuff in there. It was actually this side up when I was looking at it, so I thought it was just a big jasper, and I turned it over, and holy moly! I may have to have Jim carry a couple of the bigger rocks out here because I'm not sure my back's going to take it. But whoa, that is so cool, and it's chunky. Look, Jim.
Is that an agate then?
This is petrified wood.
Oh, why?
Right?
That's, wow.
Well, it is a beautiful, beautiful day, and I found some beautiful, beautiful things. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I certainly did. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to click the subscribe button. So if you'd like to share in the treasures, go to my Etsy store, KatyDidRocks. The link is in the description below. We've got rocks for everyone, and Jim has been helping me make some beautiful jewelry.
That's me.
And so,
Carrying the backpack.
oh yes, and he wants to be recognized for carrying my backpack, so everybody clap. If you'd like to support this channel financially, do be sure to click the join button below and have access to specialized content, and just basically help me out. Thanks. This is Kate from KatyDid. Keep on doing.